What's going on, YouTube? I'm bringing you another gameplay of Pokemon Emerald, where I'm getting my 5th battle symbol. I need 2 more to get all 7, and they're all gonna be silver, because gold symbols are too hard to get. But anyway, let's get back into it. Let's raise the volume so you can hear. These are the last 7 battles to get to 28 and face battle Tycoon Greta from the battle arena. I don't have any hold items on my Pokemon. I just don't want to. I don't feel like it. I feel like they don't even do that much. Let's save the game. Show you to the battle arena. Your battle should be waiting in the next room. Please step in. They can very well have a Snorlax, and that's when they get scary. Pokemon Jalen. Pokemaniac Jalen would like to battle. He sent out Vigoroth. Alright. Let's surf this Vigoroth and his Crush Claw. Look how much that took. That took almost 100 off. I'm gonna go for a Blizzard because it didn't take half. It's lowering the defense like crazy. And we're lucky that Blizzard hit. Critical hit. Take that, Vigoroth. That's what you get for being strong. War Turtle. Surf and turf, baby. It's not that very effective. I know. Oh, that took off 23 hit points. Shalbow. Let's go with Thunderbolt. Protect. Yeah, you better protect yourself, boy. You better protect yourself. You failed the protect. You failed to protect. What are you gonna do? A damaged War Turtle. Bayleaf. Luckily, I got a legendary Pokemon that's very good. Does super effective hits on both electric, on both water and grass Pokemon. It takes out 2/3 of the starters. Pokemaniac is defeated. Why is this so hard? The winner is Ellipsis. Your Pokemon will restore to full health. Next opponent, move on. Step forward, Ellipsis. Jalen and Jaslyn. First it was Jalen, now it's Jaslyn. Jaslyn would like to battle Pokemon breeder Jaslyn. Ooh. Let's go Blizzard. Oh, you got a fake out in. Damn it. I'll just hit him with Ice Beam then. One shot, baby. One shot. Marowak. Let's surf and turf, baby. Oh, it survived. What? That's crazy. It survived and it killed my Pokemon. That's a strong Marowak. Can't lie about that. Golem. Boy, can't switch Pokemon, so I'm just gonna have to withstand this. I guess I'm gonna hit him with Drill Peck. I freaking messed up in the beginning and didn't hit him with it. Let's go Earthquake, Manby. Ooh, the smoke detectors. The smoke detectors. Be careful now. Pokemon will restore to full health. My third opponent. Wonder what I'm gonna do with. I wish you would not glare. One rock slide. I'm still surprised about that. The smoke detectors, the smoke detectors. Watch out for the smoke detectors. Gotta close that door. Gotta close that door. Come on, Tauros. You think you got this? You think you got me? I'll show you got me. Watch out for the smoke detectors. Watch out for the smoke detectors. Watch out for the smoke detectors. One more, sir. Thrashing about. Snapped out of confusion, baby. That's how we do it. That's how we do it, Tauros. Gramble. I don't know how good Gramble is, but we'll see. It hits a pretty strong Shadow Ball I've seen. Oh, drinking that water gives me the hiccups. Mega Kick. Surprised it didn't miss. Thunderbolt, baby. Critical hit. One shot, baby. The winner is Ellipsis. I think that's their third trainer. The fourth opponent is up. I'm not ready for the Battle Tycoon, but whatever. Wolf Battle, however. Whatever will battle, however. We got 10 minutes ready on the video. Scary face. Scary face. I think it's knocked out. Yeah. Well, especially if it's a critical hit. Lunatone. Come on, Lunatone. You think you got me? You think you got me? Calm mind. You need to calm your mind down. Oh, super effective. I got 'em all buzzing, got 'em all buzzing 'cause I'm fly like a bee. Surf and turf, baby. Ruin Maniac Zachary. Ellipsis is the winner. Your Pokemon will be restored to full health. Okay. Your fifth opponent. How about a bit of hypnosis? I think this is my third attempt to beat Tycoon Greta. So I'll just put third attempt on the video. Blizzard. Yes. Thunderbolt. What? I went from Shockwave to Thunderbolt. How much does that do? Oh, that does a decent amount. I wonder what Cacturn does now. Needle Arm? Oh, it didn't survive. I think he has water absorb, so I'm gonna go Ice Beam. Rain Dance. Call me Rain Man. Shell Bell. Let's check if he has water absorb, because I can beat him with Zapdos. Oh, he doesn't have water absorb. I think I have more body. Yup, I have more body. I took more hit points off of him. We're one battle away. Your Pokemon will be restored to full health. Your sixth opponent. This is the last battle for Battle Tycoon Greta. Pokemon are invincible. Dragon Pokemon are invincible. Are you ready? Are you ready then? Dragon Tamer Roberto. What's up? Nidoking ain't no dragon. Nidoking ain't no dragon. Get ready, cause Nidoking ain't no dragon. Oh, he survived. He survived the onslaught. Hit him with Ice Beam. Weak against water and ice. Gyarados. Hit him with the Ice Beam, baby. Hit him with that Ice Beam, baby. Oh, I flinched. I flinched. I flinched again. But I think I have more body again. Oh, he has more body. He took more this time. Oh, that was a bummer. That was a bummer. But I got Thunderbolt. That's all I need. I have all that I need. Salamence? You expect me to be afraid of your Salamence? When I got a Thunderbolt Pokemon? Ooh, that's not good. That is not good. That means Salamence is faster. And he's hitting me with Rock Slides. Mambi, it's all up to you now. Finish the mission. Finish the mission. Critical hit. So we're gonna face the Battle Tycoon Greta now. I'm kind of scared. My dear challenger, your skill level is truly astounding. I now would like you to face our leader, the Arena Tycoon. I battle with the Arena Tycoon. Are you prepared? Go on, baby. Referee, trainer ellipsis, step forward, please. Referee, the Arena Tycoon, make way for Greta. Okay, let's see you ignite my passion for battle. Referee, set knockout tourney, begin. Oh, no, I'm scared. I'm scared. Heracross, baby. Let's go for Surf and Turf. Make a whore, baby. He doesn't do Brick Break. Blizzard. Let's go for Blizzard. He hit me with Mega Horn again. Mega Horn, you guys. 120% damage. It's okay, we'll go for Jopek. Oh, he's trying to endure the hit? Oh my god, I've never seen Heracross do that. Allá, ahí voy ahorita. Oh my god, what is it? See? Oh my god. Reversal? It got him in the orange. That's a very strong attack. Gotta hit him with that Thunderbolt. Critical hit. Leftovers. Let's hit a... Let's hit a Thunder... Oh, I know Synchronize. That's why I didn't go for Thunderbolt anymore. Let's see how strong my... Let's see if Thunderbolt can take him out. Wow. Who's the last one? Shedinja. Oh, that's not bad. It's over. It could be a really bad. It could turn out really bad if I don't have any super effective jobs. No way, good job. The referee, the winner is Ellipsis. Referee, the winner is Ellipsis. Greta, oh wait a second, you are tough after all. I like you. Let's see your Frontier Pass. The gut symbol was embossed in the Frontier Pass. It's going to be fun the next time. I'm looking forward to it. A victory snatched from the Arena Tycoon and a 7 trainer sweep. We congratulate you in your most splendid challenge. My dear challenger, in recognition of your indefatigable spirit, please accept these battle points. Obtain 12 battle points. Your achievement will be recorded. Please wait while I save the game. Shall I record your last battle arena match on your Frontier Pass? Yes, baby. Ellipsis battle was recorded on the Frontier Pass. We await your challenge on another occasion. And that's the video, you guys. I hope you had fun. It was too much.